So we're still working on the foyer. Looking from the stairs towards the front of the house. There'll be a front door here. So I mentioned in previous videos, these walls need to line up. But what really interests me right now is what the heck is going on here. Why are all of these walls? So I'm going to go to the first floor. I know that that's occurring back here. So let's go over here. Go to that view. Let's see if it can tell me. It's happening right here. This wall. So this gypsum board needs to line up with this gypsum board. So let's look at the second layer. So if I move this, it's going to affect anything. So I'm going to set the floor. Let's close all the inactive tabs. Then WT. So now I'm looking at both at the same time. I'm looking at the section and I'm looking at the section. Here is right here. I don't see any reason why I don't want this to line up. So let's see what happens if I say try to line those two up. So line command. Switch this to select. Okay, that lined up, and okay, so let's go back to the last 3D view that I took. Yeah. So yeah, okay, so this lines up fine, but I still need to put that little bit of gypsum board in here. So that would be change this to see gypsum board. This is in the background. I believe that's part of the arch. Yeah. That's part of the opening. That's the frame of the opening. Architecture. This is all. And I'm going to do this version. So I'm going to ask for a plane. To talk about what the plane is. Just want to pick a plane. Well, there's a plane. And as I've done before, I'll just go back and stretch this piece of gypsum board to whatever. Make sure this gypsum material is correct. Okay. Okay. See, it's right there. So, so let's do it again. Architecture. So what I'm going to do is change the length of it this time. So exposure. Okay. Okay. Plane. So, this time I'm going to change that to 30 feet minus 30 feet. I don't know if this was the problem, but I've made it a much bigger extrusion this time. Maybe resolve that. stairs. So now I've made it really long. Finish. It did accept it. Okay. So now I have this section, which is looking in the direction. Jason board. Actually, it's not going to go any farther than that because I want to change the 7th floor wall. Actually, yeah, what I'll probably do. All right, so now that's what I'll probably do is make this an entire 2-story brick wall. It is the entrance. It should have some substance to it. So that's not the wall that I want there. To stack wall families. Let's go ahead and see for a 2-story brick wall. Right there. Take this one because it has the top. This is the left. So I'm highlighting that. Let's see. Let's go to the center. See this one here. So now I can see it. So I'm going to say match properties, match this guy, and front wall, just this guy. All right, let's go back now to 3D. Now we have this open here. We go back to 3D view. What I did was I just made this wall here all the way up. It's like my ceiling extended a little too far, but I'm not too far. Notice how it's spun around like that. So that's I pick a piece of the house to make it the pivot point. So if I stick with this, now I try to spin it around. So it spins around, that's the pivot point. Whereas before, the pivot point was simply a solid space, which made it really difficult to actually move it. So I'm not too concerned about what the house looks like on the outside right now. I did want this to be brick. I might make this all brick. All right, but let's see. We'll go back to our 3D view. And I think that it has everything in it that I want to have. So let's close all of that. Close this down. See here. Make this guy a little bit bigger. This is distorting the view. I think this is still my separation line. So got some stuff on here. These are objects in the background. Stack walls, basic walls, or something. All right, let's just see. Let's render some strengths up here so that we can get some lights. See what's going on. All right, so I just realized while I was waiting for this rendering to process that I had the equipment turned on in the background of my office here that does some weird things with my AirPods. So the recording here at the very beginning of this one could be a little bad, so I apologize for that. Let's take a look at what we have. So first of all, you can see that I am distorting because I'm stretching out the view So it distorts it a little bit, but this is the front entry, and this would be the door to the, no, this is the archway to the closet and the powder room, which is back here. And then this is the door to the office. And so I need to really modify the profile of this. And I think I'm done. Pretty much done with, oh no, I did want to change this to a 12-inch. So let's do that real quick. I wanted to change this wall thickness to 12 inches. So I'll zoom out to that wall. And right now the first thing I did was I looked at it and I said, oh, I can't do that because it'll mess up my closet doors. But I can move this down. I can move this wall down to accomplish that. So to still have a space for the doors. So let's move this. We're going to move that about 7 inches, which I think is approximately maybe 7. Yeah, let's see what happens if we do that. All right, then just move this 7 inches. Let's see what happens. All right, and now I can change this wall to a 2x12. So it should be down here in my most recently used types, and here it is, 2x12. Yep. I don't want the wall to go back that far, but I do like the thickness and walking through there. You can take this and use the arrows on the keyboard. Now you can see that I really need to edit the boundary of the floor, bring this guy back to here, and then this guy out to there. And looks like the floor corrected itself there. I'm moving this sink in the opening there, so probably should do that too. And I've highlighted the object, and I'm just using the arrow keys on the keyboard to do that. This is my countertop, comes back to there, and my cabinet now is going to have to be. So let's take a look at it as we'll do it now. It's still fresh. Flip the section, go to the view. And what size is this? 48. Let's make it smaller. We have less than that. 42. Take away 6 inches. All right, let's make it 42. All right, we will align the cabinet with the new sink center line. And then let's align this and this. There's room. And this guy is going to have to move a little bit too. So I'm going to just go farther than I think I need to. Use the line tool. Right. See the mirrors in there. I like it. Things look good. I'm going to stay there. So that archway now is a same thickness as this one, and I like that. It's just a nice substantial piece of wall to walk through. Even though the rest of the walls in the house are not that thick, it does kind of help make one think that the walls are that thick in the house, which is a good thought. Okay, so say that.